So hello guys, this is another episode of me doing back glass replacement, screen and camera glass replacement also for a 14 Pro Max that a customer brought to me. The screen is broken on the inside, but on the outside it's still fresh, you understand? So let's get the opening started. So guys, I actually injured from me fixing that back glass. I actually removed almost everything in the back glass, meaning that camera side, which I'm going to remove. But that back glass stuff injured me, sha. So first, you lose the two base screws. You put your blade in between the two space, like the in between the space that is on the screen. Raise that shit up. You put this thing. You put your separator in between, understand? And since kind of tough, sha, but I'm still getting it done. You go from the left to the right, from the right to the left, you understand? The screen pops up by itself. So this is where I lose the screws from the pan. Yeah. So guys, I noticed the second video I posted. This is like the third video I'm posting. You understand? This is the third video I'm posting on this channel, and I hope this video goes viral. You understand? I posted my first video with one like, my second video with one like and 70 something views. My second video 160 like 160 views and 3 likes. I hope this one gets more views, so it will keep motivating me to post more videos. It doesn't cost you to like or comment. It really helps me a lot, sure. So you unclip the battery, unclip the screen flex, unclip the earpiece flex, keep the phone outside. So this is where you screw out the earpiece flex from this screen. It's take a while, sha, and this one you have to be very careful so you don't cut this flex, because the flex is very, very fragile. You understand? This is where I'm covering the Face ID. If in Nigeria down here we usually cover Face IDs, you understand? Usually cover the Face IDs. I'm actually in Lagos, just for context. If you want to repair your phone, I'm available for you. So you lose the screws, lose everything. So this is where I calm down so the flex wouldn't cut. You understand? I'm rushing the video because this video is over 1 hour, and I cut it out to 20 something minutes. Yeah, it's very long. I had to edit a lot of parts. There were a lot of noise. Like, I need good setup. If this account start making me money, I promise you guys quality content. I promise you guys. Also have other channels that I run. Sure. I have a channel with over 7,000 subscribers and over 3.1 million views on the channel. I also have like 3 or 4 channels. But this one is the one that I used to do my business. I'm showing you guys my handwork. The other ones I just edit people clip. I edit a lot of clips online and I post it on my channel. Transformative content. That's what I do on my other channels. But this one is what I really do. What it really pays me. All those channels are not paying me. All those accounts are not feeding me. So this is what really feeds me, bro. So you clip the screen back. Please, if you have watched to this moment, do well to just like and subscribe. It won't take you anything. You understand? If you want to watch to the end, you can watch to the end. I'm still teaching you how to fix your phone, just in case if you don't have a repairman, or the repairman is calling a lot of money for you. You can just do this by yourself. It's not that hard. It's hard, but it's not that hard. So this stuff, I'm trying to fix it in. It's taking a lot of time, so I have to speed it up, sure. I understand. But you see the 2 screws that are there. It's just basic. It's basic. Take your start to screw the 2 screws. That's all. You understand? Once you are done, Once you are done, you check the stuff very well. If the stuff really lap, look am very well. If the stuff really lap, if the thing no lap, rearrange am again. You understand? Then the flex, you have to. I mean, I have to put gum. It's not compulsory that you put gum, but I have to put like a little gum just to hold that flex down from falling. Normally the screw is already holding down, but the flex that is like laid on the screen is coming out, sha. So now we go on clipping the screen back. So I clip the camera screen, the screen flex. I clip the earpiece flex. I clip the battery. And boom, the phone is supposed to on right now. You have to double check if you have clipped it very well. Understand? Boom, phone don't on. The phone is on, bro. Understand what I'm telling you? The phone is on. So the injury on my hand, I'm using Spirit. That is the Spirit I'm using. The Spirit I seen on the screen is what I'm using to do. I'm pouring it on my hand so it stop bleeding and shit. So this is where I check the screen out to see if it's working. Understand? Press everything. I don't have the customer's password. You understand? But this one safe is going. You remove the paper tape, or you first you first put your pan down, then screw the pan. Not too tight, not too loose. Just screw it to the normal distance. Good on, you feel it when you have reached there. I screwed it, yeah. So when I'm done screwing, understand, move the paper tape from the Face ID and the camera, clip the screen back, bro. If you have watched this moment, please like, share, subscribe, comment. It really goes a long way. So you make sure that the screen lap on the case, on the car cards. Make sure that the screen lap. So I'm putting the screws back and we are tightening it. Understand? This one you have to use your base screw. Yeah. So when I'm done screwing the tools, I was trying to show you guys the one that I have shown. So with this thing, so I'm doing the back glass replacement, sure. I want to keep the old screen and remove the old screen. So this is the back glass that we're putting and the camera glass. So let's first do that. This video is getting too long, but I'm still going to edit it for my short videos. I'm putting gum on the lens, on the side of the lens, so the camera glass can be stable. So the camera. So this one, I'm going to wait for the gum to dry. Understand? So I'm going to wait for the gum to dry before we lap the back glass on the phone.
I'll be calling it. She define with the run, I'll be running it. Define with the back glass here with screen on it. So, don't even be using. I just get up. How much I see? Only 1,500. This guy, try to calm down. Which one is still go before? Try to calm down. Guy.
So this is the finished product, sure, and see how clean the phone is looking very neat and brand new. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Peace out.